In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw UML diagrams in draw.io. So you actually have two ways of doing this, the easy way and then the way where you can start from scratch. So the easy way is by going to Arrange up top, hover over Insert, and then you want to go to Template down here. And in here, you can click on UML and you can see all the different templates for different UMLs. Okay, so if you want to use any of these, just click on one and then click on Insert. And it's going to get inserted inside here, inside your document like this. Of course, you can change anything. You can go ahead and basically modify whatever you'd like. So you're basically free to do whatever you need. Or you can go ahead and start from scratch. And you can go here, click on More Shapes at the left-hand side. Scroll down under Software until you see UML 2.5 and UML. Enable these two by clicking these check marks next to them. And you can even click on them to see what else they offer. And then you want to click on Apply. It's going to get added in here, and you can just go ahead and drag on different shapes from these UML 2.5 and UML packages, and that way you can create yourself your very own basically UML diagram inside draw.io by basically putting in different objects and shapes. You can connect and basically adjust these different arrows. You can connect things, you can modify them, etc. So of course you can do whatever you want, and then you can stylize them here on the right to make them however you prefer. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.